One of the difficult things for every learner of a language is to learn how to count. That is numerals or numbers. In this lesson, I'm going to help you to count Fante numerals from 11 to 20. I'm going to make it easy for you. Here on this channel, I've already made available counting numerals from 1 to 10. Kindly check out that lesson, and I would also put the link up in the description below. But in this lesson, in today's lesson, the focus is on counting numbers in Fante from 11 to 20. Okay? Pay attention to how I pronounce these numbers, the indigenous Fante way. Let's start with the first number here, that is 11. In Fante, we say dubakon. Dubakon. 12. Debien. Debien. 13. Debasa. Debasa. 14. Duanan. Duanan. 15. Duenum. Duenum. 16. Duesia. Duesia. 17. Dueson. Dueson. 18. Duawatwe. Duawatwe. 19. Duakron. Duakron. Please take note of this. From counting numerals apart from 11, which is dubakon, not dukor. Some would say that because 1 is kor, so they will say dukor. That is wrong. Apart from 11, which is dubakon, from 12 to 19, you realize that it all begins with the prefix du, and du is 10, right? In our previous lesson, you would know this. So du is 10. So debien is like clearing off the 0 and bringing 2. So debien, right? So that is 10, adding 2 to 10. And ebien is 2. So debien, debien, right? 3 is ibasa. So adding 3 to 10, debasa. So adding 4 to 10, we would have duanan, okay? The same thing runs through 15, adding 5 to 10, so we have duenum. Adding 6 to 10, we have duesia. Adding 7 to 10, we have dueson, okay? And adding 8 to 10, we have duawatwe. And the same thing, 19, adding 9 to 10, duakron, right? So it's very simple. Counting numerals, Fante numerals from 11 to 20. So we've gotten to 19. Let's see how 20 is said in Fante. Now 20 is edonu. Edonu. That is 20. Thank you for coming to the channel. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the continuation of the Fante numeral lesson here on Apodel's Multimedia. The name is Ochechenyi Apiamensa. Let's meet on another lovely lesson here on Mfante Kasesua. Bye-bye.